welcome back to my channel, and today I'm being Lupita 2. So I'm beginning on a braid out of my hair, and I'm just detangling it to make the work simple, and I'm going to make a part there so I can plait, but you can use braid. I don't know how to feed in braids into my hair, so I decided to use my own hair, which you can do too. And I clipped down the other side so I could not pick hair from the other side. And I'm detangling my hair. I'm going to hold it up in a ponytail. I'm spraying with water and continue detangling. Make sure your hair is very well detangled so it cannot make clumps when we are making the ponytail. I mean, when we are holding our hair up in a ponytail. And now that I'm going to make the Black Panther hairstyle, I'm going to make sure it is at the upmost part, the tippy top, and use a lot of gel. I know I'm using a lot of gel now because I know I'm near to my wash day, so it can be easy to keep them off. And I'm going to comb it up with my brush after I've dipped it in water so it can slick it down. So I'm just making sure my hair is on slick on the up tippy top highest part. And you're going to, yeah, maybe you're thinking of how you're going to hold that hair. I used a shoelace, you people. You'll see that. And I intended to keep the hairstyle for a longer time, so I made sure my hair was well moisturized. So that is my shoelace. I'm going to tie it up into a column bun. Yeah, column bun. And you can use a string, but the string, it's a little harsh on the hair strand, so you do that and you fold back the hair then downwards. I used the simple shoelace. No one will know that, by the way. No one will know. We will hide that. And I'm tying that. I'm tying that around and round and round. Well, I had a struggle on this, but I went back and made sure that that hair extension is straight and very easy to do. As you can see, it ended up being fat, but I went and reduced the size of the extension and did the necessary. There are those braids you have to do them prior before you do this hairstyle, and you're going to spiral it round and round and round till the bottom. You will use pins to secure that. Be careful, the pins can be a little bit stubborn. They prick your hair. Ouch. I hope you're enjoying this video. Please thumbs up already, please, and kindly subscribe. It's done, and I'm spraying with water, and I'm going to lay that down so we can have all flyaways lay down, and I'll be back for the final result. There, the final result is out, almost out. Taran, taran, 2, 3. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 0. There guys, can you see how pretty it was? Please thumbs up if you like this hairstyle. But there you go, jewelry. I joined the beads and the shell with the string and secured it up on that column band using pin. Yeah, and the gold, all of you know those kind of tiny clamps. Yes, please subscribe guys. I'll see you later. Bye. Please comment down below any comment if you liked any part.